Welcome to Montavilla's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
This is one of our favorite traditions because it gives us a chance to celebrate the best sewing community anywhere, you.
Let's talk about giveaways, because this year we're going to give away about $3,000 worth of prizes to show just how much we appreciate you.
And entering is super easy. Every day you shop at Montavilla Sewing through December 20th, you have an entry to win the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
And the giveaways start on December 8th, so let's get shopping.
Go to montavillasewing.com/12 days.
Merry Christmas.
And happy sewing.
Welcome to day 2 of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. And today we are here at our Portland store. This is a landmark location that our family opened in 1949.
And today we're featuring the Baby Lock Zest, Joy, and Zeal, a fantastic trio for anyone starting or growing their sewing journey.
And the best part, we're giving away a Zeal.
Yes, yay! And to help kick things off, we'll be talking to Anna, who's one of our employees here at the Portland location.
So let's jump in. Day 2 starts now.
Today I'm introducing to everybody Anna. Anna's been with us just for a short period of time. But tell me a little bit, how did you start your sewing journey?
Sure. So I started my sewing journey a little bit unusually. My mom actually has 20 years of experience, but I just watched her sew for the longest time. I was busy doing art and other crazy stuff. But I actually started sewing when I started my business, making purses, and I just jumped in head first. So that was about 4 years ago that I've been sewing.
That's great. So we're glad to have you here. Now, these are the Baby Locks. Can you tell us a little bit about them?
Sure. So these are our Baby Lock Zeal, Joy, and Zest. Absolutely incredible machines, and they're my favorite recommendations for people who are just starting sewing, students, both children and adults alike, and then people who have previously used mechanical sewing machines and are getting back into the hobby and looking for something new.
Wow. So what is it about these machines that you like?
Sure. My absolute favorite thing about the Baby Lock machines is that they're really labeled very, very clearly. So they're a lot easier to use versus some of those older machines. Maybe the label has worn off or it's in kind of an awkward position, but everything with Baby Lock is very front and center.
So what's the difference between, like, let's say this one and this one?
Sure. So some really big differences between the Zest and the Joy have to do with the bobbin case compartment. So the Zest here has what's called an oscillating hook. This might be familiar to our people who have some previous sewing experience. A lot of older machines have this style, versus the Joy has what we call a drop-in bobbin. And that makes it so that it has this nice little clear window so that it's easy to see your bobbin. And then it's a little bit more user-friendly in terms of trying to fiddle on the side. You literally just drop it in.
Yeah, sure. And then we have this one here. This is the Zeal. This is the top one.
Absolutely.
And I like this one because it has the one-step buttonhole.
Yes, that is the number one thing that I love to tell people about with the Zeal. These ones, they have really incredible capability for just for how straightforward and simple they are, but it's always such a lovely quality of life feature to get that one-step buttonhole foot. It just takes all of the headache and the measuring and feeling like you're second guessing the processes. So yeah, that one step is really phenomenal.
And guess what we're doing? We're giving away a Zeal.
Oh, fantastic.
So you're going to want to pay attention tomorrow. Now, what I ask every single person is, first of all, do you have a fun little Christmas memory?
I actually have one that's coming up, so I'm excited to make this memory. My fiance, his birthday is on the 21st, so the winter solstice. He's going to be flying out to visit, and he's never had a real Christmas tree before.
Oh, really?
So for the first time ever, we're going to go out, chop down a Christmas tree, drag it back into the house, and we're going to do traditional decorations with like popcorn, cranberries, the whole 9 yards.
Well, that sounds wonderful.
Yeah.
That's great. And now you get to give us our code word for the day. What's our code word?
So your code word today is jolly.
Jolly. Okay, jolly old Saint Nicholas.
Yes.
That's me, right?
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, ho, ho. Now I'm going to put one more thing about why I love these machines before we go, because I've been in the business a long time. I've seen a lot, and there are different types of machines. There are machines like these Baby Locks. This isn't necessarily the frame, but they have a metal frame. The shaft goes through metal on both sides. Even though they're economical machines, they're very well built. Whereas some of these machines, like this one here, this is a competitor's machine here that is a plastic frame machine, and it is very, very lightweight, breaks timing very easily. So we don't sell these machines, we just trade them in. So anyway, that's one thing I love about these machines. So thank you, Anna, so much for joining with us today.
Of course.
Appreciate your time.
Thank you so much, Brett, and it's been a pleasure to meet all of you.
Well, that wraps up day 2. Anna, thank you so much for showing off the Zest, the Joy, and especially the Zeal. I mean, it's beautiful.
Christy's been eyeing this Zeal all day, and she tried to name it during lunch.
Yes, her name is Zeal Duck.
Christy, you know you can't win the giveaway.
What? What if I make this huge purchase? I mean, like a huge lifetime type purchase.
Nope, you're still disqualified.
Well, you watching, you can win. And every purchase during this holiday, you get entered. Remember, your code word is Jolly.
Join us tomorrow for day 3 as we visit a new location where Christy is going to try to adopt a different machine.